Hey guys, JaypeHD here, back with another tech video. So recently I got a problem, which is this one right here. The icons started to show something like this. It's like a missing icon. It's only in the taskbar. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So you want to go press Start R. Once you press Start R, it's going to come up Run. So you need to type in %local app data % and click on OK. A new folder opens up, and here when you scroll down, you want to switch on the show hidden files options. You can switch on by this, or if you do not have this option, you can also go to the search and type in hidden. Go to the Windows settings, and up here you'll find change settings to show hidden and system files. Click on show settings and make sure show hidden files folders are switched on. Click on OK. Once you refresh, you'll have this new file icon catch. Just go ahead and delete that. Do not worry, it's going to be created once again by the Windows. It's just like you're refreshing the whole Windows icon catch. Once you're done deleting that, you can go ahead and open your software, and as you can see, my icon just got refreshed and it was back once again. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.